Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation guide for the NA8 air circuit breaker. Before starting, please wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Please prepare high-power screwdriver, wrench, slotted screwdriver, scissors, electric screwdriver, insulated gloves, and a 500 megometer. Before starting the installation, check that the order matches the parameters on the circuit breaker nameplate. Then use a 500 megometer to check the insulation resistance of the circuit breaker. Proceed with the installation of the withdrawable circuit breaker by first pulling the circuit breaker body out from the drawer base and installing the drawer base inside the cabinet. Then, reinstall the body onto the drawer base. Install a door frame on the cabinet door with openings. Adjust the position of the circuit breaker to align with the openings on the cabinet door, then secure the circuit breaker base. When installing the bus bar, it must be secured with bolts and nuts, avoiding too much or too little torque. Lastly, perform necessary secondary circuit wiring and grounding. Before powering up, press the handle lever to store energy in the springs, then press the close and open buttons separately to test and confirm that the basic closing and opening functions are working properly. After powering up, ensure the information on the display screen is correctly shown, verifying that it is functioning normally. In case of problems, refer to the fault analysis and troubleshooting guide. We will introduce diagnostic methods and solutions for several common faults. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.